Olivia here, and I'm fascinated by AI and gaming within Python's ecosystem. It offers rich libraries, MLDL support, an open source community, and updates, perfect for gaming AI. This gaming magic is thrilling. It's exciting to see its growth. Anastasia, how do libraries enhance gaming?
Great question, Olivia. Libraries like TensorFlow power gaming AI's realism. It's like a game engine. I'm thrilled to explore with you. This fuels creativity. Let's dive in. Python's libraries are powerful. TensorFlow for deep learning, PyTorch for research, Scikit-learn for ML, and OpenCV for vision lead the way. This is our library magic. I'm excited to introduce them. Let's use tools. This builds AI. Isabella, which library intrigues you?
TensorFlow excites me, Anastasia. Its depth amazes me, and I'm thrilled. This is a tool win. Let's explore it.
TensorFlow is a giant. It's open source, supports neural networks, powers production AI, and scales solutions. This is our deep learning magic. I'm thrilled to dive in. Let's scale AI. This drives innovation. Isabella, why neural networks?
They're smart, Anastasia. Neural networks fascinate me, and I'm excited. This is a brain boost. Let's build them.
PyTorch shines in research. Its dynamic computation, flexibility, and gaming AI potential are key. This is our experimental magic. I'm excited to share. Let's innovate with it. This powers gaming. Isabella, why flexibility?
It's creative, Anastasia. Flexibility helps experiments, and I'm thrilled. This is a gaming edge. Let's use it.
Scikit-learn is beginner-friendly. It focuses on ML, offers a simple API, and supports practical apps. This is our learning magic. I'm thrilled to introduce it. Let's apply it. This builds skills. Isabella, why simplicity?
It's approachable, Anastasia. Simplicity helps learn fast, and I'm excited. This is a great start. Let's master it.
OpenCV is a vision leader. It handles real-time processing, powers gaming and robotics with extensive functions. This is our vision magic. I'm excited to explore. Let's see it in action. This enhances gaming. Isabella, why real-time?
It's dynamic, Anastasia. Real-time excites me, and I'm thrilled. This is a gaming boost. Let's try it.
Python's open source nature rocks. It's free, community-driven, regularly updated, and accessible. This is our inclusive magic. I'm thrilled to highlight it. Let's embrace it. This empowers us. Isabella, why community?
It's supportive, Anastasia. Community help is key, and I'm excited. This is a learning lift. Let's join in.
Python evolves continuously. Regular updates, new AI features, industry adaptation, and relevance keep it strong. This is our progress magic. I'm excited to showcase. Let's stay current. This ensures success. Isabella, why updates?
They're vital, Anastasia. Updates keep us ahead, and I'm thrilled. This is a future edge. Let's keep up.
Python streamlines AI development. It enables rapid prototyping, supports large projects, and integrates with tools. This is our efficiency magic. I'm excited to highlight. Let's develop AI. This saves effort. Isabella, why prototyping?
It's quick, Anastasia. Prototyping speeds up ideas, and I'm thrilled. This is a creative edge. Let's test more.
Python's AI future is bright. Growing adoption, enhanced libraries, industry use, and career paths await. This is our vision magic. I'm thrilled to preview. Let's plan ahead. This opens doors. Isabella, why career paths?
They're promising, Anastasia. Careers excite me, and I'm thrilled. This is a job boost. Let's pursue them.
Python transforms gaming AI. It powers logic, real-time graphics, behavior design, and player experience. This is our gaming magic. I'm excited to explore. Let's game with AI. This elevates fun. Isabella, why behavior design?
It's immersive, Anastasia. Design makes games alive, and I'm thrilled. This is a gaming win. Let's create more.
Learn Python for AI. Start with basics, practice projects, use resources, and join communities. This is our learning magic. I'm thrilled to guide. Let's begin. This builds expertise. Isabella, why projects?
They're practical, Anastasia. Projects solidify skills, and I'm excited. This is a learning boost. Let's start now.
Tools enhance Python AI. Jupyter, PyCharm, Google Colab, and Git support coding and collaboration. This is our tool magic. I'm excited to introduce. Let's use them. This streamlines work. Isabella, why Colab?
It's accessible, Anastasia. Colab's cloud power excites me, and I'm thrilled. This is a learning edge. Let's try it.
Let's recap day 31. We explored why Python for AI, learned its features, and saw a demo. Your task, try a simple Python script and share your experience in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is our coding start. Isabella, what's your task thought?
Trying code will be fun, Anastasia. It's a skill step, and I'm thrilled. This was a great launch. Let's share more.